How to delete your social club account. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. In this video I will show you how you can delete your social club account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. To delete your social club account, just open up your browser and then you want to go to socialclub.rockstargames.com. I'll also make sure to drop a link below. After you go to socialclub.rockstargames.com, tap on the sign in option in order to sign into your account and enter your email address and your password to do so. And once you sign into your account, you'll basically see this kind of interface after the web page has been successfully loaded up. And then you want to tap on the profile icon from the top right hand side of the screen, and then again you have to choose the option called help. Then go to the option called support, and once you go to support, you'll see this kind of interface. Now you can choose the account that you're trying to delete. I'll just choose the option called social club, for example. And once I choose social club over here, it says what do you need help with. I'll just choose social club account again, and under social club account, what you want to do is you have to choose the option called delete account and information at the very bottom. You can see, so just tap on delete account and information. After that, you'll see all this pop-up menu options, where first of all you have to confirm that you understand the above notice right over here, and once you do so, choose the option called submit web ticket. Once you tap on the submit web ticket option, it will take you to a page where you can simply enter the form, and then you're going to submit a request to the Rockstar Game support, and they're going to get back to you after accepting a request to delete your account. Keep in mind that this may take a couple of period of time, and that's all it takes to delete your Rockstar Games or social club account. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.